Hi, I'm Barry and I'm a product specialist with Win Kelly, Chevrolet Buick GMC in Clarksville, Maryland. This is the all-new Buick Envision. The Envision is a fresh model for the Buick brand. It's a mid-size SUV. It fits between our Enclave, which is a 3-row SUV, and our Encore, which is a compact city-dwelling SUV. This is a 2-row vehicle. It fits up to 5 passengers. This vehicle has front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive availability. You can pick and choose depending on your preference, and it has a couple of different engine choices also. What makes this Buick so different from every other vehicle that we have at General Motors is its active noise cancellation. There's actually a subwoofer that vibrates at a frequency the human ear cannot hear, and it actually cancels out noises that you don't want. In addition to the active noise cancellation, it has a laminated windshield and laminated side glass up front, which cuts down on road noise and sounds that you would hear from outside the car. It's a dual pane setup. It's very unique only on this Buick. Let's take a look at a very unique feature in the hatch of the Buick Envision. One of the really nice features of the hatch is a carpet covering that goes halfway up the side panels. This is unique only on the Envision, and the carpeting cuts down on road noise and sounds that the vehicle is generating. Back here we'll notice some of the accessories available in the car, including a cargo cover, cargo net, and a rubberized cargo mat to keep dirt off of the actual carpeting in the vehicle. Back seats fold down with these really conveniently placed door handles that are in the sides of the vehicle. You just give the door handle a nice little push, and then the seat is released and folds down very easily. Inside the Buick Envision, you'll notice it's a very comfortable, very luxurious vehicle. It has a unique sweeping dash design that goes from the driver's side all the way across to the passenger side with chrome surround trim. The radio is a touchscreen radio which comes standard in this vehicle. It includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 4G LTE Wi-Fi capabilities. It also has available navigation, which is nice, and an analog clock. The analog clock is a nice luxurious touch the Buick Envision offers. Comes as standard equipment. The rearview mirror is a frameless design. It's an automatic dimming mirror, so at nighttime it gets darker all by itself. If somebody shines their high beams on you, it'll darken and adjust accordingly. If we take a look up at the sunroof option, there's an available sunroof on the Envision, and it's kind of spectacular. It's actually a panoramic sunroof. It goes all the way from the front into the back for the second row of passengers as well. And it's a fully automatic system. Just one press of the button is all it takes. The Buick Envision offers available heated seats in the front and heated seats in the second row, and you can even get a heated steering wheel and ventilation for your seats in the front. This is a nice combination of options that you can spec out on your Envision if you'd like. The Buick Envision offers available heated seats in the front and heated seats in the second row, and you can even get a heated steering wheel and ventilation for your seats in the front. This is a nice combination of options that you can spec out on your Envision if you'd like. Another advanced technology feature of the Buick Envision is the available surround vision. It's a bird's eye view using 4 cameras on the vehicle and presents it to you on your radio screen. This way, if you're parking the vehicle at speeds of 5 miles per hour and less, you can see everything around you, including the parking space, the wall ahead of you, a car behind you. That way you shouldn't bump into anything. To learn more about the awesome new features and technological advancements of the Buick Envision, stop in today at Win Kelly in Clarksville and take one out for a test drive.